Hey there, I'm Sharon Malone, and welcome to another episode of Shift Tips, where we share tips and tricks to make your digital life simpler. With screens in front of us nearly every waking hour, it's worth asking, is all this connectivity really good for us? Spoiler alert, not always. So let's chat about how to keep our mental health in check while living in this digital world. Digital wellness is all about using technology to support rather than sabotage your mental and emotional health. We're more connected than ever. Emails, social media, news alerts, but all of this can lead to what I like to call digital burnout. Psychologists have highlighted the phenomenon of internet apnea, where people unconsciously hold their breath or breathe shallowly while using technology. This habit, along with the constant need to stay connected, can significantly increase stress levels. Spending hours staring at screens can lead to stress, anxiety, and that burnt out feeling. Setting daily screen time limits with tools like Rescue Time or Clockify can help you set some boundaries. Unplugging even a few hours a day can help you hit the mental reset button, whether it's during meals, before bed, or on a quiet weekend. If you can't trust yourself to make time to relax, book some alone time in your calendar, or make relaxing plans with a friend to keep you accountable. Our lives need structure. So do our digital ones. A balanced digital routine isn't just about turning off our devices. It's about what we do when they're on. Incorporate regular breaks. Get some fresh air. Engage in hobbies that don't involve screens. Instead of doom scrolling for an hour, how about picking up a book or jumping on the pickleball train? Social media is like a tempting slice of cake. Delicious, but it can make you feel pretty lousy if you overindulge. It connects us, but it also fuels stress and FOMO. Curate your feeds with positive and uplifting content. And don't be afraid to unfollow or mute accounts that don't spark joy. Like me, if it ain't dogs dressed like humans, I don't want it. Digital mindfulness is about being present and intentional with your tech use. Before you reach for your phone, ask yourself, do I really need to check Instagram again, or am I just bored? Plus, it gives you an excuse to say, I am practicing digital mindfulness, when someone says you're a bad texter. Sorry, Mike. Thanks for tuning in for another episode of Shift Tips. Digital wellness isn't about giving up your devices. It's about using them in ways that make your life better, not more stressful. If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more digital life hacks. Stay well, stay balanced, and I'll see you next time.